Did you know that 99% of us are making a huge mistake when we drink water? It sounds crazy, right? But this one common error could be the hidden reason you feel tired, bloated, or even get those afternoon brain fog moments. The good news? You can fix it. And in just 7 days, you can feel a massive boost in your energy, your digestion, and your focus. So, stick with me because what I'm about to share could completely change how you feel every single day. So, what is this shocking mistake almost everyone is making? It's not about how much water you drink, but how and when you drink it. Most people gulp down huge amounts of water all at once, especially right after a meal, during a meal, or a big glass of cold water first thing in the morning. We think we're hydrating, but we're actually doing more harm than good. This habit can seriously disrupt your digestion and mess with your body's ability to absorb vital nutrients. Think about it this way. Your stomach is like a finely tuned machine. When you eat, it produces stomach acid to break down food. But when you chug a large glass of water right after, you're essentially diluting that acid. It's like trying to cook with a watered-down sauce. It just doesn't work as effectively. This leads to food sitting in your stomach for longer, causing that uncomfortable bloating, gas, and indigestion that so many of us just accept as normal. It isn't normal. Your digestion becomes weak, and you don't get the full nutritional value from the healthy food you're eating. And that's not the only common mistake. How many of you reach for an ice-cold glass of water, especially after a heavy meal? It feels refreshing, but that cold shock can cause your blood vessels to constrict and can solidify the fats from your food, making them much harder to digest. Another big one is waiting until you feel thirsty. Thirst is actually a sign that you're already dehydrated. And what about the bottle you're drinking from? Many of us mindlessly use plastic bottles, which can leach microplastics and other chemicals into our water. Finally, we often forget about electrolytes. Pure water is great, but if you're sweating a lot or not getting enough minerals in your diet, you could be flushing out essential electrolytes, leaving you feeling fatigued and weak. So, what happens in your body when you drink water the wrong way? Let's break it down. First, as we've discussed, it weakens your digestion by diluting stomach acid. This directly leads to bloating and discomfort after you eat. Second, when you drink too much too quickly, your kidneys can't keep up. Instead of hydrating your cells, the water just gets flushed out, taking essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium along with it. This can disrupt your body's delicate electrolyte balance. Third, this whole process can actually slow down your metabolism. A struggling digestive system and an imbalanced body can't function optimally, which means your energy levels take a nosedive. And ironically, drinking water the wrong way can lead to water retention. Your body, sensing an imbalance, starts holding on to water, which is why you might notice swelling in your face, hands, or legs. Okay, enough about the problem. Let's get to the solution. I'm going to give you a simple 7-day fix. This is the how-to for drinking water the right way, and it's incredibly easy to follow. First rule, sip, don't gulp. Imagine watering a very dry plant. If you dump a whole bucket of water on it, most of it runs off. But if you water it slowly, the soil absorbs it all. Your body is the same. Sip your water slowly throughout the day. This allows your cells to actually absorb the hydration they need. Second, mind your meal times. This is crucial. Avoid drinking water for 30 minutes before a meal and wait at least 30 minutes, ideally an hour, after you finish eating. This gives your stomach the undisturbed time it needs to do its job properly. If you're thirsty during a meal, take very small sips, just enough to help you swallow your food. Third, start your morning smart. Instead of shocking your system with cold water, begin your day with a glass of warm or room temperature water. This gently wakes up your digestive system, helps flush out toxins that have built up overnight, and kickstarts your metabolism for the day ahead. Fourth, ditch the plastic. Invest in a glass or stainless steel water bottle. It's better for you, and it's better for the environment. You'll avoid consuming harmful microplastics and chemicals, ensuring the water you drink is as pure as possible. Fifth, balance your electrolytes. This is especially important if you're active or live in a hot climate. You don't need sugary sports drinks. Just add a tiny pinch of natural salt, like pink Himalayan salt, or a squeeze of fresh lemon to your water. This adds essential minerals that help your body hold on to hydration more effectively. Sixth, stay consistent. Aim for about 6 to 8 glasses a day, but don't chug them all at once. Space them out. Keep your water bottle with you and take a few sips every 15-20 minutes. Consistency is key. And finally, listen to your body. It's the best guide you have. A good indicator of proper hydration is the color of your urine. It should be a pale, clear yellow. If it's dark, you need to drink more. If it's completely clear like water, you might be over-drinking, so ease up a bit. Now for the exciting part. What can you actually expect to feel after just 1 week of following these simple rules? The results can be truly amazing. First and foremost, you'll notice better digestion and significantly less bloating. No more feeling heavy and uncomfortable after every meal. Secondly, your energy levels will soar. Proper hydration means your cells are getting the water and oxygen they need to function at their best. Say goodbye to that 3 p.m. slump. You might also see clearer, more radiant skin and experience fewer headaches, as many are caused by dehydration. Over time, these habits support a faster metabolism, which can help with weight management and contribute to stronger kidney and heart health in the long run. From a scientific standpoint, this all makes perfect sense. Hydration isn't just about quenching thirst. It supports every single function in your body. Every cell, tissue, and organ needs water to work correctly. Research shows that even a tiny 1–2% drop in your body's water levels can impair cognitive functions like memory and focus, and even affect your blood pressure. When you drink water properly, sipping slowly, at the right times, and with balanced electrolytes, you are ensuring a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to your brain and body, maintaining cellular health and keeping everything running smoothly. So, here's the takeaway. Water is life, but only when you drink it the right way. It's not about making a drastic, difficult change. It's about fixing one small, unconscious habit that has a massive impact. Start today. Choose 1 or 2 of these tips. Maybe start with warm water in the morning and sipping instead of gulping. See how you feel. In just 7 days, I promise you'll feel more alive, more energetic, and more in control of your health than you have in years. You have the power to feel amazing, and it all starts with your next glass of water. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to live a healthier, happier life. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Are you going to try the 7-day fix? Let me know. Until next time, stay hydrated the right way.